Keeping your pool sparkling clean can be a chore, but robotic cleaners like the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi promise to handle the heavy lifting. This advanced automatic pool vacuum cleaner offers smart features and powerful cleaning action to make pool maintenance truly effortless. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's dive into the core cleaning capabilities and how the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi is engineered to keep your pool pristine with minimal effort. This robotic cleaner is designed to tackle tough pool debris efficiently. Its robust scrubbing brush and ability to climb walls ensure a comprehensive clean across various pool surfaces. The high energy efficiency also means it operates without driving up your utility bills too much. The Dolphin Nautilus boasts strong wall climbing power and a scrubber brush, which means it efficiently cleans every surface in your pool, not just the bottom. You can get a spotless pool in just 2 hours thanks to its efficient plug-and-play system, making rapid cleanups genuinely simple. It is specifically designed for in-ground pools up to 40 feet in length, providing capable coverage for many standard residential pools. The unit carries a high energy efficiency rating, which means it operates effectively without consuming excessive power over time. Overall, this cleaner offers strong performance features that directly contribute to a reliably clean pool and an easier ownership experience. Next, we'll examine the smart features, maintenance aspects, and how user-friendly the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi truly is in daily operation. The convenience of Wi-Fi connectivity lets you manage your pool cleaning from anywhere. Coupled with its simple setup and effortless filter care, this unit makes regular pool maintenance less of a chore. These premium features are essential for justifying the investment. The always connected Wi-Fi feature lets you schedule cleanings and control your pool vacuum remotely, adding significant convenience to your daily life. Maintaining clear water is simple with its user-friendly top-load filter basket, which makes removing debris a quick and hassle-free task. Its simple plug-and-play system truly makes pool cleaning a breeze. Just plug it in, drop it, and power it on to begin. Priced at $849, this robotic cleaner represents a substantial investment, but its array of smart and cleaning features justifies the cost for many. Ultimately, the Dolphin Nautilus delivers great practical usability and intelligent control, making it a powerful tool for modern pool care. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi is a compelling choice for anyone wanting a hands-off approach to pool maintenance. Its combination of powerful cleaning, smart scheduling, and easy-to-manage filter system makes it a strong contender in the robotic pool cleaner market. While it represents a significant investment, the time and effort saved could be well worth the cost for many pool owners. It truly delivers on convenience.